Are you struggling to get personal injury referrals from attorneys? Or maybe you've made connections, but they're just not sending clients your way. Hey, I'm Adrienne, and today we're diving into strategies for building meaningful relationships with attorneys and positioning yourself as their go-to provider for personal injury referrals. Let's go ahead and get started. The first topic we'll focus on today is establishing credibility. A strong foundation of credibility is key to building lasting relationships with attorneys. And one of the most effective ways to do that is through face-to-face meetings. Attorneys are more likely to trust you when they can put a face to a name. So start by scheduling lunches or drop-by meetings. Begin by introducing yourself, sharing your background, and discussing how you can help their clients. This is going to build rapport and lay the foundation for long-term partnerships. Another pro tip and something to consider is choosing the right attorneys, those who specialize in personal injury or workers' compensation cases. Targeting the right attorneys increases the likelihood of building valuable referral relationships. But before you schedule those face-to-face meetings, you'll want to use two ChiroUp resources to open the door. First, the attorney introductory letter. So send the attorney introductory letter to introduce yourself, your clinic, and your areas of expertise. Personalize this letter to make it a strong first impression and show how your clinic can be a valuable partner. It is essential that this letter feels like a natural extension of who you are and why you'd be a great fit for their network. A great follow-up resource is the attorney brochure. This customizable brochure allows you to highlight your clinic's expertise in handling personal injury cases, treatment options, and your commitment to quality documentation. You'll want to emphasize your knowledge of the injury recovery process and how you collaborate with attorneys to provide clear, reliable reports. Once you've sent your letter and brochure, don't leave it at that. Follow up by visiting the attorney's office with coffee, donuts, or treats for their staff, and maybe a sample whiplash report. Want to refer their clients to a provider who not only delivers high quality care, but also provides reliable, detailed documentation. Positioning yourself as a trusted partner means demonstrating consistency and professionalism through reports and ongoing communication. Let's now dive into two key resources available for ChiroUp subscribers to help you stand out and strengthen your credibility. Staying engaged with attorneys and positioning yourself as a reliable resource is easier with quarterly attorney newsletters available through ChiroUp's premium plan. These newsletters are pre-written and ready to be customized with insights and updates that attorneys will find valuable. Regularly sending these newsletters helps you stay top of mind and reinforces your clinic's authority in handling personal injury cases. You can find more information about how to upgrade your subscription to our premium plan in the video description. ChiroUp's initial and release reports, originally designed for primary care physicians, can easily be adapted for attorneys. Customize these reports to reflect your client instead of my patient and keep them in the loop throughout their recovery. Marketing to attorneys is all about consistency, professionalism, and building trust over time. Visit ChiroUp's exclusive attorney marketing campaign, linked in the video description below, for more tips and resources to create meaningful connections with attorneys in your area. We'll see you next time.